Welcome back again. In the previous video, we have explained how to create an authentication system, which is just a login. Now we need to use or to make use of the rules here or the rule here. So if the user rule was admin, we need to go to the dashboard, otherwise go to the home page if it is normal user. So here we have authorization system. So authentication with only we know the user if he has username and password, so he is a user now. But what this user, what he can do in the system, what his permission, so we need to check if it is admin or user or what. So here this is called the authorization system. So now you should already know the previous lecture, previous class. After we finish, remember me. If we press on remember me, after that go to the home. Now we need to delete that and not just go to the home, but we have here if function. We need to check firstly. So if data from here from database converted to the array, so if data rule here equal admin, since here in the database, if you remember, we have rules admin or user, right? You can make 0 1 as you like, it's the same thing. But here in the if function you should say if rule from database equal admin. We need just simply header and go to the location and go to the dashboard .php, right? Otherwise else if role equal user, or just because we have only two rules, so we can just say else, then go to the home. That's it. Now in the dashboard we need to do something. In the dashboard here we just have dashboard, but we need just to accept if the user admin can access it, so we need to protect it also. So first thing we need to just say session start. After that, what can I say here? If not set, so if there is no session here called auth from previous lecture, we explained that, or there is session here auth, but the role of the session equal user. Here if the role equal user, so in the login you remember that we said in the session auth add name and add rule. So if the role user not admin, also we don't need him to access this page. So here if there is no session, if you should just check if there is session or not. If there is no session or there is session but the role is user, we can just say directly here. But before that we need also to check if also not set cookie, because maybe we have cookie already, remember me, and we have cookie. So auth, or maybe we have cookie but the cookie inside cookie we have auth equal user also, because here you remember we add cookie called auth and inside it the value add the rule, so the rule may be user or admin. So if the user equal user, so if both of them, if there is no session or the session user, or there is no cookie or there is cookie but the cookie is user not admin, we should just say here die, which means like stop everything and just show a message which is like you don't have a permission to access this page. Because of course we have many examples about authorization system, not only this, but this like one simple example. For the home we don't need to do anything, even the admin can access home, so there is no problem with that. But here the dashboard only admin can access it, not user. Now we need to try that. So here I will insert as Ahmed with the password 123 So here Ahmed, you remember user, right? So it should go now, log in, now go to the home page. If I try to go to the dashboard, I cannot see. You don't have a permission to access this page, right? I have a session, but the session user, not the admin. Yeah, so now log out. Now I will try to access as Osama. Now Osama has a permission. So log in. Now I can go to the dashboard without any problem. Also, I can go to the home because I am the admin here. And if I go to Osama and say remember, log in here. Now copy. I will close the browser and then open it again because I have a cookie, so I should also be able to access that. So I have no problem here. You can try work around it and you can see everything will work perfectly. So this is the simple example for the authorization system. Of course, not only like this. I can say if the always I can say if session or cookie equal admin. So show me like for example the delete button. If the session or cookie equal user, not show me the delete button should be hidden, for example, so only the admin can delete something. So you can work around that. We can create your own example if you want, but this is the basic idea. Hope you understand that, and thank you very much.